They're very proud of the environment that they work in and what they do. And I think our product really tied all of that together for them. The vision that they had was definitely a bold vision. I'm Chris Giuliano. I am a senior site supervisor with Takeform. Ampirical is an electrical substation manufacturer located in Covington, Louisiana. We were part of the process right from the get-go. The facility was a brand new build. The building had a lot of concrete, aged or distressed brick, and our sales team took me down very early on in the design stage to evaluate what was possible and what wasn't possible with those surfaces. During that field survey, we gathered so much information that it was beneficial to our entire team, both from the engineering side, the design side, everywhere. The architect gave us some rough ideas on what they were looking for, and then our design team stepped in and kind of smoothed the edges and integrated our product into the site and what the architect had envisioned. There's a really wide spectrum of product that was used in this building that really enhanced their work environment. Everything from Amplify to fusion type signage, illuminated custom products that were more intended for exterior transit line that was used within the building as well. So entering the building through the main reception area, it's a really unique entry with a lot of wood, a lot of concrete, different substrates that really tie together and blend well. We have several illuminated panels right in that reception area that make a really dramatic effect, as well as full covering Amplify product on one wall, so it makes a bold statement for them. A lot of the Amplify that was within the building was in dramatic spaces. In other words, there were some huge walls that were used in the elevator lobbies, and all of the photos that were used on any of the wall coverings, even their films, that was all hand-picked by the Ampirical staff, and it was all relevant to what the company does and how they interact and special moments in their history, I guess, if you will. And we worked real hard to incorporate that into a lot of the spaces. Dimensional lettering was used quite a bit throughout the entire building. There's notable quotes from Walt Disney, Tesla, Edison, whether it's in conference rooms, elevator lobbies, even private offices. I think this project was a huge success. We definitely did our part to make the building a unique place. After a couple trips down there, it got to a point where a lot of the finishes were in place, and it really turned into an amazing structure. They're very proud of the environment that they work in and what they do. And I think our product really tied all of that together for them. So it was a lot of fun working on this project.